In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Photoshop if you prefer editing with a darker interface, or you simply want a workspace that feels cleaner and easier on the eyes. Photoshop gives you a quick way to change the overall look of the program. This can be especially helpful during long editing sessions, because a darker interface often reduces visual strain and helps your images stand out more clearly on screen. To get started, open Photoshop and look to the top menu. Click Edit, then go down to Preferences and choose Interface. This will open the settings area where Photoshop lets you control the appearance of the application. Once you're in the interface settings, find the Appearance section. Here you'll see 4 different color themes, ranging from a lighter gray to a much darker one. These themes change the color of Photoshop's interface, including the panels and background, so you can choose the one that feels most comfortable for your workflow. To enable dark mode, simply select the darkest theme available. This is the option that gives Photoshop its deepest grey interface and creates that modern, low-glare look many users prefer. After selecting it, click OK to apply the change. As soon as you confirm the setting, Photoshop will instantly update the interface color. You should see the workspace switch right away, giving you a darker editing environment that can feel more focused and less distracting. For many people, this also makes colors and image details easier to judge, since the interface itself becomes less visually dominant. If the darkest theme feels a little too intense, that's completely fine. You can always go back to the same place by clicking Edit, then Preferences, then Interface, and try one of the other color themes instead. Photoshop gives you a few different shades, so you can find the one that best matches your comfort level and editing style. This is a simple setting, but it can make a noticeable difference in your day-to-day experience, especially if you spend a lot of time working in Photoshop. Small adjustments like this can help make your workspace feel more personalized and more comfortable to use. That's all there is to it. You now know how to switch Photoshop to dark mode and adjust the interface color whenever you want. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and tricks to improve your editing workflow even further.